You are watching JnC.
Hi guys, we're still here at Chessington World of Adventure, and now we are visiting the LORIKEET Lagoon, which is part of the Wild Asia, and this is a good way to meet the exotic, colorful birds. Lorikeet are related to the parrot family and native to Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. These vibrant, multicolored birds feast on pollen, tropical flowers, and despite their size, they can eat as many as 650 flowers a day.
He's biting your hand. Hindi sila talagang malapit sila sa tao.
Very big goldfish. Wow. I'm wondering how old are they? JC, look at the goldfish. Check it out. It's very big, Kuya.
Sabi niya siguro amoy pagkain kabing. Ito yung mga tatlong takotse. They're afraid of the birds. Yeah, even Kuya JC. Oh, let's bring it home na lang. Yeah, bring it home. I think it's okay.
So take a look some of our photos. It was really entertaining and relaxing, and since we're running out of time, so we decided to go to the other part of Chessington World of Adventure. So everyone had fun and enjoyed. Thank you very much guys for watching until the end, and please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more awesome videos, and see you once again next time. Bye!